It began with a single spark. From the moment flint struck stone to the primal roar of fire on dry wood, humanity learned to harness heat. We began to master the wind, to breathe life into the flames, using ancient bellows to transform a flickering glow into a powerful force of nature. The intense red glow of traditional kilns defined our early crafts, while the heavy smoke of burning oils filled our kitchens for centuries. We searched for a better way, guided by the early laws of thermal convection, seeking to move beyond the haze of the past toward a cleaner, purer energy. By focusing the sun's rays through crystal and winding copper into the first electromagnetic coils, we began to invert the traditional art of cooking. We looked to the movement of the wind through the leaves, discovering the hidden potential of aerodynamics to carry heat with invisible grace. From charcoal grills to the condensation on metal lids, we observed the chaotic dance of molecules. The invention of heat-resistant materials like bakelite marked our first victory in controlling thermal energy, allowing us to build the foundations of safety and efficiency in the modern age. Early electric fans paved the way for digital precision. Designers transitioned from ink to advanced software, merging stainless steel with the sharp accuracy of lasers. We learned to master the Leidenfrost effect, turning a simple drop of water into a lesson in surface physics and heat management. The sepia tones of history now fade into the silver brilliance of the modern factory. The machines are awakening, and the future of healthy living is ready to begin. The heart of heat begins with nickel-chromium alloys. Tubes are bent into perfect spirals and filled with magnesium oxide for absolute insulation. Under immense pressure, we compress these elements, creating a dense core that can transfer thermal energy with incredible speed and total safety. Laser welding secures the terminals before the first glow test, turning silver to a radiant red in just 5 seconds. Thermal scanners verify every millimeter of consistency, while nearby, technical steel is stamped into the rugged cores of our electric motors, the driving force of our technology. Automated machines spin thousands of copper coils, which are then bathed in premium insulation. Ultra-smooth ball bearings are fitted to eliminate friction, while 9-blade steel fans are cut by high-pressure water jets, engineered to withstand intense heat and move air with relentless power. Robotic precision removes the tiniest milligrams to ensure perfect dynamic balance. As the fan clicks into the motor shaft, a 500-ton press stamps industrial stainless steel into the cooking chamber. Look closely at the base. A vortex-shaped ventilation system is carved to guide the air. After robotic grinding removes every sharp edge, a natural ceramic coating is applied for a non-stick finish. The outer housing is injection molded from heat-resistant polymers, then immediately cooled by air jets, ensuring that the shell remains cool to the touch, even when the inside is blazing. Digital calipers verify the exact thickness of every part. In the electronics lab, SMT machines place microprocessors and rice-sized sensors onto jet-black circuit boards. High-load relays are soldered into place, giving the machine the power to control intense heat with absolute digital precision. We embed advanced PID algorithms into the memory chips, while endoscopic cameras hunt for any microscopic flaws. Assembly begins by placing thermal insulation into the base and fitting high-grade rubber seals, creating an airtight environment where heat is trapped and utilized to its full potential. The motor and fan are lowered into their central cradle, directly above the spiral heating element. Fireproof fiberglass wiring connects the components to the brain of the machine, while the front-facing touchscreen is installed, providing the gateway to a world of healthy, effortless cooking. The top cover is locked down by automated screwdrivers, and the frying basket is riveted into place. As the basket clicks into the machine for the first time, we initiate high-voltage insulation tests, ensuring that every unit is as safe as it is powerful before it leaves our line. At 200 degrees, thermal cameras search for any leakage. We measure wind velocity at every point and push our buttons through 50,000 cycles. Every ceramic coating is cross-tested for perfect adhesion, proving that our quality is built to endure the rigors of a busy kitchen. We simulate the flow of fats to ensure perfect drainage through the vortex vents. Even at peak speeds, vibration is kept to a minimum. After ionized air clears away every trace of dust, robots apply the technical specifications, a mark of engineering that meets global standards of excellence. Sustainability is integrated into our soul. We recycle every fragment of resin and purify our cooling water through reverse osmosis. Every machine is meticulously inspected under intense light before the power cord is wound and secured, ready for its new home and its new purpose. Machines are wrapped in eco-friendly fabric and placed into 5-layer reinforced cartons. Robots stack the pallets with mathematical logic, while in our research labs, engineers continue to analyze the future of vortex technology, seeking new ways to make our airflow even more efficient. From digital temperature graphs to laser-cut prototypes, our innovation never sleeps. Smart management systems track every successful unit, while safety locks are tested to ensure an automatic power-off. We obsess over every detail, from carbon filters to the steady hands of our quality experts. We filter odors through activated carbon and apply international safety labels with robotic speed. A cross-section of a sample unit reveals the complex layers of protection and power hidden within. Our factory floor is a pristine environment where man and machine work in perfect harmony. Thousands of units stand like a silver army under the LED lights. We test the handles with heavy weights and verify Wi-Fi connectivity for the smart age. As containers are filled at the docks, our technology begins its journey to kitchens around the world. As the morning sun hits the kitchen, a new way of living begins. We see food that is golden and crisp without a single drop of oil. As the excess fats are stripped away in slow motion, we realize that technology is now protecting the very heart of the family. A young chef smiles at the purity of the meal, as 3 generations gather around a table filled with life and color. We are reducing oil consumption and saving resources, giving mothers back their time while the dishwasher handles the rest. Complexity has finally become simple. From a small sprout growing through the stone to the healthy appetite of a child, we are building a sustainable legacy. Every reflection on the polished shell of the cooker is a reflection of trust. We are turning the art of frying into an act of love. We look toward a future of hydrogen energy and industrial transparency. As clean air circulates around our planet, our designs become more efficient and more human. From the factory hand to the home cook, we are elevating life. Innovation from the heart, for a life well lived.